Hello, hey everybody, thanks for tuning in today. Today we have the Skyview Fpv goggles made by Yuneec. These are for the Typhoon H, the Tornado H920, and the Tornado 520, I think. Anyways, this is a VR headset that's made specifically to plug into the Ground Station 16 controller. Looking at these for a while. I seen them online the other day. They had a huge sale on them, thankfully, because they were kind of expensive. But we're gonna unbox these today and see how they are. Here, there they are. So the user's view. There's a couple one-sided sticky foam pads in there. Not too sure why. Then we have a headset. It's got a nice solid strap on it. I like it, and it's padded where the clips are for extra comfort. The whole outside of the face mask itself is also padded. Extra comfort on there. I think that may get a little bit sweaty, but should easily wipe off. Do not remove sticker before use. Okay, so inside, it's obviously made by Yuneec. Their name is all over it. We have the HDMI and headphone jack here on the side. There is a USB port on this side, along with the power button here. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. There's a small speaker right there, but that's it. This will be a lot of fun. I have a feeling this will be very nice. Also comes with the cord here, HDMI to USB, and also just a standard HDMI cord. It also comes with a nice carrying bag for it, straps on the side of it. Make sure it'll close nice around it. That is it. So out of the box, we have the Skyview Fpv goggles made by Yuneec. Looks like it comes with everything you need to get it going. Nothing else is required aside from the drone itself. Also, these are specifically for Yuneec drones to connect to their handsets. So that's what's in the box. Later video, we're going to get some actual footage from the goggles themselves and see what happens from there. Thanks for watching.